According to local reports, the first of 100 land-based Harpoon anti-ship missile systems ordered from U.S. has arrived in Taiwan. These missiles offer a range of over 124 kilometers and are capable of engaging a variety of naval targets with precision guidance. Morocco has partnered with India's Tata Advanced Systems Limited to produce the WhAP 8x8 armored combat vehicles domestically. WhAP, also known as the Kestrel, is designed for a variety of combat missions, including troop transport and reconnaissance, with focus on protection, mobility and firepower. Denmark has selected Rheinmetall's Skyranger 30 as the new air defense system for the Danish army. The Skyranger 30 system features a high-velocity 30mm autocannon, which together with its missile system is capable of engaging a range of aerial threats, including aircraft, helicopters and drones. The Russian Black Sea Fleet is training to use FPV drones from a helicopter to counter Ukrainian naval drones. The Russians use a Mi-817 helicopter as an airborne command post to control external pilots of FPV drones. Recent social media pictures have unveiled that China's People's Liberation Army is proactively upgrading its artillery units with anti-drone protections. The photographs reveals Chinese PLZ-05 self-propelled howitzer equipped with wire cage armor, designed to enhance protection against drone attacks inspired by modern battlefield tactics.